Okay, so here we are at 2014 paper 1, question 1 of the Leaving Cert ordinary level. So let's get stuck in. We have a shopkeeper here and they are buying 25 school blazers at €30 each, and they are buying in 25 trousers at €20 each. Part A says find the total cost to the shopkeeper. So we need to be very careful here that we're actually reading the question properly and we're not under answering. I often get paranoid because when a question seems simple, I'm worried that I'm under reading it, and so that's something I usually try to watch out for. Let's go to the answer for part A here. I've written out here what we're actually doing. So school blazers times the cost of each, plus the trousers times the cost of each. Okay, so that works out to be total cost of 25 times 30 plus 25 times 20. Put the two in a calculator, I come out with a figure of 1250, and I've included the units, in this case they're euro. Okay, so let's go back a step. The schoolkeeper sells a blazer and a trousers as a set for €89.95. Find his or her profit on this transaction. Okay, so if you know how much the blazer and trouser set cost together, okay, take that away. It'll be 30 and 20 is 50. Okay, take that away from your €89.95. You got the profit. Okay, and that's not percentage profit, it's just profit. Okay, most of the marks here, 5 marks, split 0 to 5, so any attempt will get the 2 marks. I mean, even what I've done there with the 50, that's an attempt. Okay, I meant to say in part A is worth 10 marks, so that was pretty liberal marks for such an easy part. Anyway, part B here, profit equals selling price times, take away cost price. So you're taking away the $89.95, take away the cost of the blazer, cost of the trousers, that's 50. I end up with $39.95. And again, put the units in. Okay, so let's go to part C. The shopkeeper sells 22 blazers and trouser sets at $89.95. She sells the remaining 3 sets at a discount of 20% of the selling price. Find her markup percentage as a profit of cost price on the total transaction. So here's where they're making us pay for the 2 easy parts. I suppose, look, first thing, you're trying to get an attempt. So 22 times $89.95 is going to give you the amount she made from the blazers. Then you're going to get 20% of $89.95. Okay, and that's going to take that away, then the answer from $89.95 to get our cost selling price on the last 3. So let's go down and look at the answer. So there's 2 parts here. I have my 22 blazers and trouser sets by $89.95. At $1,978.90. I have my 3 discounted blazers trouser sets, $89.85. Now I'm doing it by 0.8, so it's 80% of the actuals, the normal selling price, which is the same thing as getting 20% and then taking it away. So it's a bit more advanced in that sense in how I'm doing it, but it's worth getting used to that in percentages and realizing that like 80% is 80 over 100, which is 0.8. Okay, same thing. 20% is 20 over 100, which is 0.2. Anyway, I got 215.88. So join those 2 things together for the total selling price. I got $2,194.78. So I'm trying to work out our profit. So selling price, take away cost price. Now cost price you worked out in the previous part. Okay, you might not cop that, but again, reading the question and carefully thinking about the scenario, maybe putting it into a situation maybe you feel more comfortable with, will help you understand the actual the question itself. Anyway, by doing the calculation, I got €944.78. I then am going, okay, percentage profit. This formula isn't given to you. It's one of the few formulas you kind of have to memorize. Okay, but it's the profit over the original times 100. Okay, if it was loss, it'd be loss over the original times 100. So in this case, it's the profit, so 944.78 over the cost price of 1250. Gives you, multiply that by 100, gives you a percentage of 75.58% percentage profit. Not bad. Okay. Now there's no part D, so I'll pause it there. Thanks very much. And I suggest going back over this again in a few days. And if you're stuck, referring back to the video. Thank you.